Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain this question from the areas. So what is the question given here? So question asked in 2024 JEE PYQ question. So let R be the interior region between the lines. So these two lines are there contained in the origin, the set of all values of A, for which the points here, 2 points are there. One is the origin, another one point is there, lie in region. R indicates here region. So here A value. So what is the set of all values of A? Means A range asking here. What is the range value of A? Either A, B, C or D. So this is the question. Now what I'll do here from this one. So we can take here. So this line. So this is one line here and this is another line. So we can take here two lines are there here. So from this one 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. I'll take this one as a line 1. Next, line 2. What is line 2 here? So we can take here line 2. X plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. So line 2. So here these two lines are here. Slope is negative. So negative slope means this is negative slope. So that is here L2. So because obtuse angle. So this is a positive slope minus a by b. So minus a by minus 1. This is positive slope. We can take this one as a L1. Now what happens here? Question what asking here? Let R be the interior region between the lines. Let R be the interior region means this is the interior region. This can be R, or otherwise this can be interior region. This can be interior region. This is also interior region. Anything we can take here. Interior region. Okay. Containing the origin. Containing the origin means suppose if I take here, if I take this is also region. So containing the origin 0, 0. Next, the set of all values of A for which the points. So set of all points here. Here one point I am taking. Suppose this is U and this is a P point I am taking here. A square comma A plus 1. So what is the range value of A asking here question. We know here both the lines, if you take one line, so if the points, 2 points are on the same side of the line, so what is the condition here? Same side of the line, what is the condition? We know condition here. So LA into LB which is greater than 0. We know from the straight lines. We know here LA, LB is greater than 0. LA means substitute A point in this line, substitute B point in the same line. Is greater than 0 means the condition is here. If it is greater than 0, so what happens? 2 points are on the same side. So if you take for this line, these 2 points are same side. If you take for this line, these 2 points are the same side. So what happens? First, what I'll do here, L1. So L1 of origin into L1 of point which is greater than 0. Which is greater than 0 means what is L1? L1 value 0, 0. If I substitute origin 0, 0, 1. So only 1 is there here. Into L1 of P. L1 of P means P point substitute here. So 3 into X value A square. So take this one as X and this one as Y. 3A square minus Y minus A minus 1 plus 1 greater than 0. So here 1 into, so 1 into anything, that is a 3 into A square minus A plus 1 minus 1 cancel, that is greater than A. So if you take here, if you take common here, what we have to take common here? If you take so 3A square minus A, if you take A common, what happens? 3A minus 1 which is greater than 0. So we can write here, if you take from this one 3 common, A minus 1 by 3, A minus 1 by 3 into this A, how I will write here? A minus 0 which is greater than 0. Where is 3? 3 sent to that side. So that is here 0. So we can take here, this we can write here A minus 0 into A minus 1 by 3 which is greater than 0. It is in the form of which form? X minus alpha into X minus beta greater than 0, where alpha is always strictly less than beta. Alpha value is less than beta. See, X minus, this is alpha and this is here beta. So what is the condition here? X belongs to minus infinity to alpha, open interval, union, beta to infinity. Why open interval means greater than is there. So X belongs to minus infinity to, what is alpha? 0, union beta. What is beta value? 1 by 3 to infinity. So take it this one as a 1. Now do here second one. What is second one here? L2. So L2 also we have to do here. L2 of 0 into L2 of P which is greater than 0. L2 of 0 means 0, 0 minus 5. So this is minus 5 into L2 of P. L2 of P means what is X value here? A square plus 2 into A, 2A, 2 into y value total 2 into y value is y a plus 1 2a plus 2. So plus 2 minus 5 which is greater than 0. So we can write here minus 5 into a square plus 2a minus 3 which is greater than 0. To remove minus, equation changes. What happens here? 5 into a square plus 2a minus 3 which is less than 0. So 5 into that side, that is 0. So from this one we can write here a square plus, so 3 into 1 3. So 3a minus a, 3a minus a 2a plus into minus minus. So that is here minus 3 less than 0. If you take a common, so a plus 3, here also a plus 3 multiplied with minus 1 which is less than 0. Now a plus 3, we can write a plus 3, take common a minus of minus 3 into a minus 1 which is less than 0. This is alpha and this is here beta. So we can take here from this one x minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0. It is in the form of x minus alpha into x minus beta, means a belonging to less than is there, open interval alpha to beta. So a belonging to, what is the alpha value? Minus 3. What is beta value? 1. Take it as a 2. So this is also x belongs to, means in the place of x what we have to take here? A, because it is a terms are in the place a terms are there. A belongs to minus infinity to 0 union 1 by 3 to infinity. Now do intersection of 1 and 2. So 1 intersection 2. Now what I'll do here, if you do intersection here, this is minus infinity and this is plus infinity. What is asking? Minus infinity to 0. Next one 1 by 3 to infinity. 1 by 3 means 0 point something here. So this is 1 by 3 to infinity. Next one minus 3 is here. Next 1 is here. Now check it, minus infinity to 0. We can take minus infinity to 0. Next 1 by 3 to infinity. Next minus 3 to 1. So what is the intersection part here? This is the intersection part. So this intersection part only a belongs to, we can write here a belongs to open interval minus 3 to 0 union 1 by 3 to 1. So this is only asking the question here set of values of a. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 union 0 point something 0.3. So 1 by 3 to 1. Only these values only exist in this one, a square comma a plus 1. Is there option here? Check it once. Minus 3 to 0 union 1 by 3 to 1. Is there this one only? Minus 3 to 0 union 1 by 3 to 1. Open intervals. All are open intervals only, because all are less than greater than symbol only there. So that is the option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Thank you, ma.